Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. In the fourth take of this crap, I've deleted more videos than I can even ever remember deleting before trying to do this stupid video. So, you know, I'm sure you can hear the movie my husband's watching 3 rooms away as loud as he can get it right now. Okay, rant over. So I'm going to show you how to make decals today. This is just going to be like a beginner video on basics of how to make decals. But before we get started with that, I want to put a last call out. The person that won the Maniology box, I picked number 4 was what I put on the bottom of the box, and someone, after like 180 comments, people, what's your problem? Pick a number between 0 and 50, and it took like 180 comments to finally get number 4. And I find that hilarious. Anyway, the person that finally commented number 4 has not contacted me. I'm just going to have to do a random draw for that and the gel polish. And so there's that. Keep watching. I have giveaways quite often, like, I don't know, once a month at least. Okay, so the plate I'm going to be using is Ejuibas, however you want to say it, number 12, X12. Adorable plate, has a lot of Chinese symbols, and I've got one coming from Beauty Big Bang, I think, that I'm going to be showing you guys. Anyway, this one has some layering on the back. I actually did this with this here, one here. Alright, so I want to do, I think, just some, a couple of roses. And for some reason, okay, you can layer this. So that's one way you can make, you know, get the look of a decal without having to make a decal. But they don't have the solid image of the leaves, only the outline. So I kind of need to make a decal of that, and I'll do that one way, and then I'll show you how to make a rose and color that in a decal without using the layer. So I have this cute little butterfly mat, and if you don't have one, so sad for you. Or a regular silicone mat, you don't have to have one, okay? I'm just teasing. Just take this is a lid off of some oatmeal. So just a butter dish lid, whatever. I have put some little swatch of clear nail protector on here, and you can see it peels up quite as easily off of this, so you don't have to have a mat, okay? Just this will work. I use Wet n Wild nail protector. It is just a clear coat. It is not a quick dry. I put this on, like, I don't know, 4 or 5 hours ago. I just come in here and put a couple swatches on here and then left the room. This one I put, one of my favorite top coats is Glisten and Glows, and it's just a quick dry top coat. You don't want to use a quick dry, and I'm going to show you why right now. You see it's already peeling up. From underneath, this one still feels soft and pliable, and this one feels stiff. You can see my fingers, like, just, it's still moving. This one is just like rock hard, and it peels when you bend it. This one doesn't peel. This one pops right up, and it is crispy. So quick dry is not good dry when it comes to making a decal. You'll have trouble with it forming to your nail, with it sealing down. Just not recommended. It's not a good idea. And when you go to put it on your nail, it won't stretch at all. You can't really, can't really stretch it. It's not pliable. You can also use like a base coat. If you have a sticky base coat, that would work. Anything that's not a quick dry clear. Tara sent me this one and I really like it, but it's like almost gone. All right, let's put an image on there and I'll show you what I'm talking about. There's a little rose. And you're just gonna put a little bit of polish on your mat. And I'm also going to use, oh my gosh, can you hear the screeching coming from the TV in there? It's ridiculous. I've got a little dotting tool here. You can use whatever you want. All right, while that dries, I'm gonna pick up these leaves here that don't have a solid backing for some stupid reason. All right, I do love these plates, okay? Ejuibas plates are fantastic, especially for beginners. They've got great images and they pick up beautifully. All right, so I picked up these leaves and I'm gonna color them in. That color is Hit the Bottle, Emeralds Are Forever. And I think I'm gonna color that in with this Spindle Monster Soft Sage. And this is actually my preferred way to do decals. It's just straight on the stamper. You do have to be careful about pulling up your image, so you're just going to really lightly guide that polish over it, kind of like, you know, float the polish, float it. You don't want to be touching that image, because if you do, you're going to pull up your stamp. You can do a quick, and I mean quick and careful, coat of the nail protector over your image and let that dry first, so you don't have to worry about maybe pulling up your image. This is the best way, as far as I'm concerned, to make a decal, is straight on your stamper. You can make a little army of them, a whole bunch of them. And then after that dries, if you're wanting to save it, you can put nail protector on it and save it. You can actually leave them on your mat like this or on your little butter dish and cover it, or you can put them on stampers that have a lid and cover it. I mean, keep them for days on end. I have kept water marble ones for 5-6 days and then hit them with a shot of clear protector when you're getting ready before you use them. Wait like 20 minutes to let it dry and then pick it up and use it. It'll still be pliable. If you use quick dry, it would not be good. All right, so that's dry enough, and I'm going to put some more nail protector over it, and we're gonna let that dry. All right, well, those are drying. I'm just gonna show you, sometimes people get confused about the layering. So this image is actually the full image. So you would put the leaves first, and then the outline, or then the solid piece, and then the outline. Same here. This is actually what it would look like completed. This is what I've done on my thumb. So I pick up this image first in the pink and then the outline in black. my decal. Now, I find it easier to trim it while it's on here because, for one, it's not really that dry yet. And I don't like handling them too much. Alright, I'm going to bump my camera, and then I'm going to take some sticky sweet from, this is from Purple Willow Apothecary, but any sticky base coat, most base coats don't dry quickly, so I just need a little bit on there to make sure that the decal adheres. Both decals, actually. I'm gonna stick this leaf down here first. I'll put it over like that. And then I'm going to place that right there. Take my stamper and kind of shove it down a little so that it's smoothed out everywhere evenly and I don't have a fingerprint in there, which I'm also bad about. Then with my clean it brush and a little bit of acetone, I'm going to gently clean up around the edge a little and kind of seal that down. I think I'm gonna test out this Maniology quick dry top coat because I haven't really tested it out too much. It says it's no smear. Well, let's see, because over black, and like I've told you before, just take one swipe, don't go over and over it. You can always go back and put more on. Wipe it off on a paper towel or something, a lint-free wipe, and make sure you don't have any color on your brush to contaminate the next one. Here's going to be a test, this black. No smear. Oh, this is a color change base color on my nails, so the tips look black when they're cold. Or dark gray, not black. Alright, well, it didn't smear it. Alright, so I think those turned out really cute. If you have any other questions about decals and how to make them, or if I missed anything, let me know down below. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe, please. Thank you. Bye. Get him, Penny. Oh. Who is it? Is it Augie Doggy? Is it Augie? Who is it? Oh no, it's just Dad.
She seems very happy to see me. That's my good girl. That's my good girl.
See when she sees the the moment she sees who else is here besides just the baby and Casey. Who is it?
Who is that, Pandy? Oh, the good old days when I used to attack her.
You're still thinking because... Oh, sweetie. Come here.
It's like Indiana Jones' whip.
Who's that? Here's him, here's him, here's him.
Hey, buddy.
Dick. Oh no, I gotta deal with this ridiculousness. Here's my gams. Look, Gams has puppy socks on too. Here's your cheeky friends. These are your cheeky friends. Yeah, these are pretty. There's your bunny friends. I know you like them better when they're in a cage. You can run around. Oh, there's some white bunnies. Oh, bunny friends.